everyone, welcome back to another episode of Speak Up with Moupriya. I hope all of you are doing wonderful and prepping for Holi because it's just round the corner. And I'm sure each one of you are going to have a fantastic Holi with all your near and dear ones. In today's episode, by now, you know that we are going to talk about AI, and I'm sure all of you are excited to know about how we can make AI our friend in our language learning journey. So I'm going to make this video really short because I'm just back from the gym and I really have to and get freshened up. However, I wanted to answer a very common question that most of you have asked me time and again, that can we use AI platforms or free AI platforms like Gemini and Chat GPT to work on our English language? And I thought it's a very valid question in today's era and it is definitely worth answering. So I thought of taking out 5 minutes time and quickly answer this question with a few examples and a few points that you might want to keep in mind. So before we deep dive into the video, I want to welcome every new person who is watching this video. Welcome to Speak Up with Moupriya. My name is Moupriya and I am a communication coach and a soft skills trainer. I am also a TEFL certified spoken English trainer and a certified life coach. And on this channel, I help you guys not only to work on your language skills, but also to work on the important soft skills that are required for professional as well as personal growth and help you live life in a little better way. So if you like the content, consider subscribing, and also if you find it helpful, share it with your friends and family so that they can also benefit. All right, now let's talk about AI, specifically the free ones, which is Chat GPT and Gemini. That is what I'm going to talk about today and try and see how they can become our friend in our language learning journey. I'm sure many of you are already using ChatGPT and Gemini for your day-to-day work, either related to studies or in your professional life or even in your personal life. I remember I used ChatGPT a year and a half ago to write small poems on my wedding card. So I know that it can also help you in your personal life. Sometimes I use Gemini to ask for my diet and my workout regime as well. So it is safe to say that platforms like Gemini and ChatGPT has become a part of our daily life, be it professional or personal. Now, at this point, don't you think it is important to make them our friends and to use them to the fullest benefit? Now, let's see how you can make ChatGPT and Gemini a powerful ally in your language learning, specifically your English learning journey. Number one, you can use ChatGPT and Gemini for your day-to-day practice when it comes to the language. There are times when you want to speak, but you have no partner around. In those situations, you can definitely use Gemini and ChatGPT as a speaking partner. Even if you are not able to speak, you can practice chatting with Gemini and ChatGPT, or you can also give it voice command in terms of questions, and it can give you a written text as an answer. So when you have a partner like that to speak with, imagine the variety of topics that you can discuss with it. You don't have to feel shy, you don't have to feel hesitant, you don't have to feel awkward. You can talk about anything and everything that comes to your mind, and ChatGPT and Gemini is going to help you in those conversations. Number two, along with being a speaking partner, ChatGPT and Gemini can also act as tutor who can correct your grammar and help you with vocabulary and sentence construction. Now, you also have the power to ask it if your sentence was correctly constructed. So, along with being a partner in your language practice, it can also act as something that can correct your grammar. They can provide you with instant definitions, corrections in your sentence construction, synonyms of certain words, and also examples of new words and how to use them in sentences. You can also easily use them to translate something that you are not able to express in English. If you are thinking something in your mother tongue and you are unable to express that in English, you can use the AI tools that can easily do the translation for you and show you how to make that sentence in English. Number 3, you can also use the AI tools to work on your pronunciation as well as seek feedback and guidance to work on your pronunciation. The AI tools can analyze your speech when you speak into them, and it can give you feedback if you ask them correctly on whether you are using any MTI or whether you are mispronouncing certain words, and that can give you clarity as well. And number 4, you can use the AI tool to bring in creativity and variety in your learning journey. You can ask for new ways of learning the language, new activities that the AI tools can suggest you so that your language learning journey doesn't get boring. So these are the ways in which you can utilize the AI tools for your language learning journey. However, now comes the most crucial part. Although AI can be your friend and your ally in your learning journey, always remember the human element is very crucial even in the use of AI. So when I say that, it means what you feed into the AI or what instruction or what prompt you feed into the AI, depending on that, it is going to give you an answer. So you cannot rely 100% on AI that whatever it is telling you is correct. I'm telling this to you because I have tried and tested. When I give it a certain prompt, it gives me an answer. When I ask it again that don't you think it is incorrect, then it corrects itself and it reframes the answer and apologizes for making a mistake. So the key being your prompt will decide on how efficiently you can use the AI tools. Therefore, when you are in the beginning stages of your language learning journey, it is important to remember that a human interaction is going to be much easier. However, for the ones who are in their intermediate level of English language learning, they can definitely make use of the AI and use it for various purposes to advance their language learning journey. Also, another very crucial thing to remember is that communication or conversing in a language, it has got to do with your non-verbals like your pitch, your tone, your emotions that you are putting into your conversations. It also has a lot to do with the cultural nuances of the language. Therefore, do not make AI your primary way of learning the language because that can make you mechanical since you will not be able to focus on the non-verbals. So practicing with humans, having a human hand holding is definitely always going to be important. AI can become our friend and guide us from time to time, but it cannot be a replacement for your human interactions. Always keep that in mind. All right, so those were a few points that I wanted to share with all of you regarding using AI for your language learning journey. If you have any questions related to using AI, you can drop me a comment and let me know. And also, do let me know in the comment section what are the different ways in which you are using Chat GPT and Gemini in your language learning journey. I would love to read them. For any of you who wants to connect with me for a YouTube session or for classes or for joining my WhatsApp community, go ahead, read the description box. All the details are given there in all my videos. So you can simply follow the steps and connect with me and we can talk. All right, with that, I'm going to wrap up today's session. I'm going to see you tomorrow with another interesting video. Till then, you all take care and bye-bye.